So that's it, I'm on my way. First leg, get up to Edinburgh. That's day one. It's going to be about 280 miles. Hopefully if I can get there around 4 PM, I'll be happy. Have a look around Edinburgh, never been there before. Incredibly excited for this trip. And it looks like, touch wood, it looks like we're going to have some decent weather. But we shall see. Only Scotland can decide that. Right, so I think this is going to be fairly boring, this next bit. So it's a few hours on the motorway. I'll check in a bit later. So just got off the M6. Now on the A702 going towards Edinburgh. Left at 8 o'clock this morning, it's now 12:30, stopped twice. Crossed over into Scotland at 11:30. And have done, let's have a look, we have done so far today 220 miles, 55 to the gallon. First 50 was at 50 miles to the gallon. That was cruising at about 80 mile an hour. So backed off to 70 miles an hour, 75 sorry, and then was getting like 55 to the gallon. Normally around the lanes I'm getting 68, so bit of a difference there. Roads look a bit lipped up there. Yee. Just coming into the historic burgh of Biggar. Nice little place. Jolly good. Oh, lovely old motor. So after having ridden up the motorway at 75 mile an hour, feeling nice and comfortable, what are you doing? We're now into some of the villages, and it's now 21 degrees on the 3rd of September 2023, and it's starting to feel a little bit warm. I might have to open some vents up now I haven't got so much of a wind chill. Well, I've got to say, first long run up the motorway, absolutely brilliant. I love this bike, it is so comfortable. I mean, just look at it, you've got everything. I don't know if you can see that. Cruise control, the SOS, heated grips, all that sort of stuff. And the size of the thing, it's like riding a bloody Battlestar. So cool. Great bit of kit. That Garmin system is bloody excellent. Really good. Very clear when you're getting lane advice, that sort of stuff, when you're coming off the motorway. Really like it. So just 11 miles from Edinburgh. A few hills over there. Going to get there much earlier than I thought. I thought I'd get there for 4. I mean, I would have got there for about 1:30 if I'd not stopped. So made very good time. So that's it. Bloody hell. So what have we done so far today? Just arrived, the Premier Inn's just there. This is the fuel station I'm going to go and fill up in. So we have done today 265 miles. I've still got 70 miles range in the tank, so 265 miles today. Still 71 mile left in it, average speed 60, consumption 57, 58. So just come into Musselburgh. All looks very nice. How beautiful is that? So this is Portobello High Street. Gotta say, well, mind you, that's the cop shop. It's a fair cop shop. So just been to, or just had a look along Portobello seafront here. It looks absolutely stunning. Never knew there were so many beaches around Edinburgh. Just been to Fisher Row. Very nice. It's beautiful.